Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2016 Mercedes C300. Of course, this is the 4MATIC, and honestly, it's a good amount of fun to drive. Plenty of trunk space in here. And it looks like we also have, oh wow, good amount of storage down there too. Plenty of back seat room. Burmeister sound. Dual sunroof. Yeah. Turbocharged 4-cylinder. Not a bad engine. Definitely works in this application. But let's see here. Backup camera. Without further ado, let's go for a drive. Driving it in Sport. There is Sport Plus, but I think on the street it's just too aggressive of a transmission tune. I'm gonna shut that off. So good amount of torque, good amount of passing power, even though this is the base engine, at least here in America. I'm pretty sure they have diesels out in Europe that are probably a little bit slower than this. I did just switch it over to Sport Plus to see what that's like. all in all, great little car. Definitely fun to drive, good amount of power. It's not a C43, it's not a C63, definitely. But, nice car. I hope this video gave you a good idea of what it's like to drive. Or at least, you know, noise-wise and all that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.